Hi, I'm Courteous Tan Curtis, and we've all been there before. It's late, you're tired, you want something chocolatey sweet, but you don't have the time or the patience to bake. Well, you're in luck, because tonight I'm going to teach you how to make a brownie in a mug with nothing more than your microwave and a few ingredients in your pantry. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, as well as 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of butter, which we're going to melt by the end of this recipe. You're also going to need a pinch of salt, a pinch of cinnamon, and a dash of vanilla extract. Okay, so you got your mug. I'm using one that's glass, but you can use whatever you have lying around. And we have all of our ingredients. We've pre-melted the butter, quick bursts in the microwave. We'll use that in just a second. The first step, very easy. We just want to mix all of our dry ingredients. So that's the sugar, the flour, the cocoa, and then we're also going to put in a pinch, or in this case a grind of salt, and then a tiny little bit of cinnamon. If you like more, you can always add more. And then mix this all together. I've got a handy dandy whisk, so I'm just going to mix this until you have a nice, evenly mixed powder. That looks pretty good, yeah? It should basically look like cocoa powder at this point. Then we're going to take our melted butter. We're going to add a dash of vanilla, not very much. Although again, if you really like vanilla, you can always add more. Just a little bit. Brings out the flavor. And then the last thing you want to do is pour this into your mug. I like to take my water and put it in whatever you melted the butter in, so we don't waste any of that butter. Pour it all in, and then mix until the whole thing is a nice, even, wet consistency. If you're really concerned, you can wipe this down to the sides and make sure that it's all nice and even, but honestly it's going to taste good no matter how it looks, so I wouldn't worry too much. So once you've got a nice even consistency like that, then you're good to go. So now let's move over to the microwave. Okay, put it in the microwave for 90 seconds, 1 minute and 30 seconds, and go. Okay, and we're done. Just like that, your brownie's finished. Be careful, it's very, very hot coming out of the microwave. I recommend eating it with some vanilla ice cream, or in this case, some nice fresh whipped cream. Put it all on there. Helps to add a little bit of moisture and make it all sweet and lovely. And there you go. Bon appetit. Oh, that's good.